Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G and this is Just Plain Tech. This is the second video of my new series of videos called Easy Explanation Videos. A playlist of videos that's meant to quickly explain something to you in a way even Homer Simpson can understand it. Now, seems pretty amazing, right? Today's video is on Ubuntu. So we're going to explain Ubuntu really quickly starting now. I'd just like to say it might be a little bit difficult to understand this video if you haven't watched this video up here, which is easily explaining Linux. You probably want to know what Linux is first before you look at Ubuntu. Ubuntu is the most popular Linux distribution, and it is a Debian-based Linux distribution, meaning it's based off of Debian. So it uses the same package manager that Debian uses, which is the apt package manager by default. And the app package manager is real easy, real simple, comes ready-made right out of the box. Just like Ubuntu, it is a ready-made distribution. You install it and it's ready to go. Same thing with its package manager. It also has another package manager called Snap. It comes ready-made with the distribution. It doesn't have quite as many packages available to it as apt. However, some packages are better updated or better optimized on the Snap database than on the apt database. The Ubuntu Software Store is just a graphical software manager application where you can go and install any application you want, and Ubuntu will automatically choose whether to install the apt or the Snap depending on which one is better. Ubuntu comes with the GNOME desktop environment. GNOME is not a very traditional experience. It's very innovative and very different from something you normally expect on a computer, especially if it's based off of Windows. It's very simple and easy to navigate. So Ubuntu has two different types of releases. There are regular releases, and then there are long-term support releases, also known as LTS for short. Now, you'll know when it's LTS because it will say, but you want the LTS versions because they are long-term support. They're supported for 5 whole years, whereas the other ones are only supported for 5 months, and they're released every 2 years. So you want to make sure you get the latest LTS version of Ubuntu if you plan to run it on your computer. Ubuntu does have customization for a light mode, normal mode, and dark mode, so you can set it to your preference. Ubuntu is a great Linux distribution. You install it and you do whatever you need on there. It always gets the job done, and it's simple, easy to use, and you never run into any problems with it. It's a great Linux distribution. I'd highly recommend it, especially for new users. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought of this video, if it was helpful. Also, please make sure to subscribe if you want more videos like this. We'll see you next time.